This is Jamal as one of the best VR headset you can buy today. The Meta Quest 2 is still strong and great to buy, but it's time to include Meta Quest 3 as well. For your convenience, I have selected some cool accessories for you. It offers quality construction and great features at a reasonable price. It comes in both black and grey with a circular oblong design. By using the surrounding zip, it is very easy to open and close, and fitting the Meta Quest and control is fairly straightforward. There are elastic straps holding the Meta Quest controls in place, as well as Velcro elastic straps holding the main headset in place. Second on our list is Kiwi Design's RGB charging dock, which is suitable for Meta Quest 2 or Meta Quest 3, which is high quality charging dock for your headset. Assembling the whole charging station requires no tools and takes less than a minute. Putting it together is as simple as snapping. It is the foundation that first draws your attention to the Kiwi Design RGB vertical charging stand. It feels solid and the base seems to have a noticeable weight to it. In addition to the stand, you will need a rubber charging cable to connect it to your VR headset, and it's probably my favorite. Besides being a unique design element, this rubber charging cable ensures that the stand is backward compatible, so it works seamlessly with both the Meta Quest 2 or Quest 3. Meta Quest 2 or Meta Quest 3, the comfortable audio battery head strap is number 3 in our list. Having the stability and comfort I have never experienced before on Quest 2 is so satisfying when my head fits into the soft pad and the back screw is turned. In addition to being soft and comfortable, the screw mechanism is also better than that on PSVR 2. As a whole, the unit balanced better thanks to the placement of 6400 mAh battery in the back housing. Using the audio 3.5mm jack, connect Meta Quest 2 to the audio source. Despite having built-in speakers, the on-ear pads deliver richer, louder sound and are soft enough not to be noticed once you begin playing. The spring-folded arms fold up so that they can be tucked away and unplugged when not in use, but they cannot be detached. Though the headphones might not too much for some people, the extra playtime provided by the external battery is great. You may want to consider the battery only option instead if you want to save some money. The fourth item on the list is the 16 feet USB 3 Type-C cable, which can connect Meta Quest 2 or 3 to your compatible computers. The action-packed Meta Quest 2 library lets you choose from a wide range of VR games on your PC. Best-in-class performance is delivered by the lightweight, flexible design. Last on the list is the VR Pistol Grip 4 controller, which is my ideal and favorite for games like Pistol White and Crisis Bridage 2 Reloaded. It is that simple to attach the accessory to your Meta Quest 2 or 3 controller out of the box. You do not have to figure out which part goes into which part to figure out how it works. There are 3 main components to the piece: the handle, the barrel, and the hammer locking mechanism. It's a nice looking solid piece, and from that vintage it would be nice to be seen with it. Adding a little bit of weight is sometimes good. For me, I prefer the feel of a little more weight in my hands. You can take your virtual reality gaming experience to the next level with the VR pistol grips. And I have played Crysis Bridage 2 Reloaded. Let's enjoy the gaming experience.
We have the place surrounded.
Holy cover! It's an ambush!
I have listed couple of VR accessories which can enhance your VR experience. By the way, I have shared all the buying links in the video description. Let me know in the comment section which accessory is right for you. If you are interested in dash camera, which dash camera is right for you, then click on this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in this video.